Evoto 7.2 is here, bringing you powerful new AI tools for restoration, portrait refinement, image enhancement, and faster delivery. From initial selection to final output, every update is designed to make professional editing feel completely seamless. Let's look at what's new. First up in the AI lab is old photo restoration, which is perfect for bringing damaged memories back to life. It allows you to restore faded details, enhance clarity, and add natural color, all while beautifully preserving that original vintage feel. We've also added Detail Enhance to the lab. This feature boosts clarity and texture across your images, bringing out finer details in hair, facial features, clothing, and accessories for a crisp, high-end commercial finish. For portrait work, we've introduced Remove Tan Lines within the Skin module. This tool helps you instantly smooth out bikini lines and strap marks, creating cleaner summer portraits with seamless skin tone transitions in just a few clicks. To give you faster control over your workflow, the new Master Slider offers one global adjustment for overall portrait retouching strength. It's the perfect shortcut for fine-tuning the intensity of your presets, managing client revisions, and applying a quick final polish without the back and forth. In background adjustments, Lens Blur now creates an incredibly realistic depth of field to make your subjects pop. You can easily adjust the bokeh, blur range, and use manual refinements for a natural camera-like finish. The culling experience is also faster and more organized. We've brought quality, mark sets, and faces together into one unified filter panel, helping you find the exact photos you need with significantly less clicking. Delivery just got a lot more professional. The new slideshow feature turns your selected project photos into a polished MP4 presentation directly inside Evoto. You can add music, backdrops, watermarks, and timing controls, making it an excellent tool for client selections, wedding previews, or portfolio showcases. For Lightroom users, Lightroom Classic collaboration is smoother than ever. You can import your catalogs easily, edit with Evoto's AI power, and send your photos right back using the Back to Lightroom command to keep your existing ecosystem perfectly intact. With 7.2, you can now tailor Evoto to the way you already work with custom shortcuts. Set your preferred keys to match your muscle memory and keep your editing momentum moving fast. We are also introducing Light Personal AI Looks. This feature streamlines your personal style training, allowing you to create a signature AI color look using just a single XMP file or a Evoto color preset. Version 7.2 also includes several more quality of life updates to keep your workflow running smoothly. The AI Lab interface is now much easier to navigate. The backdrop changer features smoother blur blending. Cloud projects now load faster, and AI Reshape has been further optimized. Brand new effects across the platform now support instant before and after comparisons. From restored memories and sharper details to realistic lens blur and faster client delivery, Evoto 7.2 helps you create more and retouch smarter. Update now to experience a cleaner, faster, and more reliable workflow. Be sure to check out our other tutorials for editing tips, workflows, and everything you need to succeed with Evoto.